Welcome back to the Steelhead Station, everybody, and another DIY video coming at you. Is your garage just loud and squeaky and keeps your kids up, keeps your spouse up? We'll show you right now how to fix that. Okay, here's my garage beforehand. All right, that was pretty squeaky and pretty loud. And here I used a decibel reading app, and you can see here it gets up to 59.3 on the first run with an average. Comes out to 30 something for an average. Ran it again and it got all the way up to 76. You can see there it really gets loud. Now what you want to do is you want to get something called PB Blaster garage door. And there you go. And this will lubricate your squeaks and your squeals, and it will make a tremendous difference. Now the best thing to do to get rid of the squeals is to go from a chain to a belt. But if you're not, your garage door doesn't really need to be fixed, this is the best way you do it. You just spray this as close as you can into all of your hinges and use like a towel because it does run a little bit. You try to get it inside of there as much as possible. But that's basically it, and it's going to make your garage a whole heck of a lot quieter. You're still going to have as mine does, the engine noise, but if you would have heard this door, how it squeaked and squawked, plus had a chain a few months ago, you would have thought it was an unbelievable improvement. Now you want to get your hinges in the middle of your door, and then you're going to move over and you're going to get all of your wheels along the actual railing. And you get it inside there on the wheel. And if you don't have nylon wheels yet, that's another way to make your door a whole heck of a lot quieter. And you're basically just going to do the same thing. You're just going to spray and try and get it in there as much as possible and try to keep the camera focused, which I couldn't do right there. So the final step is to make sure you get your springs and then the rollers on the top, and just get in all the cracks and grooves. You don't really have to worry about too much. And then here is my garage afterwards. If you listen again to the first section of the video, you'll see that was only the sounds of the engine on the door opener. And you can see I ran it a few more times with the decibel meter, and it stayed for the most part pretty low with a max of only 64. So the max totally dropped almost 5 to 6 decibels. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped. And we got more coming, a lot more coming. Stick around.